Hello everyone, we have given 90 equal 9, 80 equal 4, 70 equal 8, 60 equal what? So let's start with today's video solution. So if we do the half of 90, we get 45. And if I'll do the sum of digits, that is 4 plus 5, this gives us 9. Now let's apply the rule. 80 divided by 2 is 40. Now 4 plus 0 is 4. 70 divided by 2 is 35 and 3 plus 5 is 8. So what is 60? 60 divided by 2 is 30 and 30 is 3 plus 0 which is 3. So what replaces the question mark? 3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.